Hello, today I'm going to show you or talk with you about the I-ACTIVSENSE system of your Mazda CX-5. Ooh, the I-ACTIVSENSE is a collective term covering a series of advanced safety and drive support systems which make use of a forward sensing camera FSC and radar sensor. These systems consist of active safety and pre-crash safety systems. The systems are designed to assist us drivers in safer driving by reducing the load on the driver and helping to avert collisions or reduce their severity. However, because each system has its limitations, we have to drive carefully and we have to do not rely solely on the system. The active safety technology supports safer driving by helping us drivers to recognize potential hazards and avert accidents. The systems inside the I-ACTIVSENSE are nighttime visibility. Here is adaptive front lighting system AFS, the adaptive LED headlights ALH, and the high beam control system the HBC. Then left and right side and the rear side detection, lane departure warning system LDWS, the blind spot monitoring BSM, the road sign recognition, traffic sign recognition system TSR, inter-vehicle distance recognition, that is for our distance recognition support system DRSS, and the drive fatigue detection. That means if you're going to sleep a little bit, you have a driver attention alert, DAA. Rear obstruction detection if leaving a parking space. This is for the rear cross traffic alert, RCTA. And there's more. Driver support systems. Inter-vehicle distance. Then you can use the Mazda radar cruise control, MRCC. The Mazda radar cruise and control will start and stop function if you have this built in. Then you have the lane departure. That means you have a lane keep assist, LAS. Then, of course, the speed control, adjustable speed limiter, ASL. Pre-crash safety technology. You can see so big the I-ACTIVSENSE is. Pre-crash safety technology is designed to assist us drivers in averting collisions or reduce their severity in situations where they cannot be avoided. If you have a forward driving and you have the smart city brake support, this is SCBS. Advanced Smart City Brake Support, Advanced SCBS, if it is possible on your car. Reverse driving, Smart City Brake Support, SCBS R. So you can, or your car will stop automatically if you are going to hit an obstacle in front of you or behind of you. Collision damage reduction in medium-high speed range. Smart brake support, SBS. This is in front of you. If there is an obstacle and you are near a collision, your car will brake immediately. The forward sensing cam detects lane indications and recognizes headlights, taillight and city light during nighttime driving. In addition, it also detects the vehicle ahead, pedestrians or obstructions. And this camera system is built in your front windshield. And it is so important if you replace your front shield that you have to adjust it or reset it before you will go back on the street. Then you have radar sensor at the front side. You have a radar sensor on the rear side. You have ultrasonic sensors at the rear side. This all contains safety system for your parking assist and collision, not assist, collision preventing. Then you have an adaptive front lighting system, and this is awesome too. The adaptive front lighting system AFS automatically adjusts the headlight beams of the left or the right in conjunction with the operation of the steering wheel after the headlights have been turned on and in automatic mode. So here you can see these all systems are in the I-ACTIVSENSE system completely. Oh yeah. And thanks to the forward sensing cam, it will help you for a better and safety life with your Mazda CX-5. You have a blind spot monitor. That means if right or left an obstacle is, a biker or another car, you will get information in your heads-up display and in your mirrors on the right and left side. Then you have a rear cross traffic alert. If you are going backward and there are some obstacles, your car will get information. And then you can prevent from smashing into this obstacle. This all is in this one system. And if you have the high beam control system, you can see this right at the I-stop symbol. You have an in automatic mode, and then the high beam control system and the other automatic light systems which are built in the I-ACTIVSENSE are enabled or disabled. Adaptive LED headlights are so awesome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.